The HTML table model allows you to arrange data, text, pre-formatted text, images, links, form fields, forms, other tables, etc. into rows and columns. Each table may have an associated caption that provides a short description of the purpose of the table. Parts of a table. Row. Row stands for a horizontal line that represents a record in a table. Table rows may be grouped into a head, foot, and body sections. Column. Column stands for a vertical line that contains a particular type of value. Cell. Cell is a rectangular box that contains the data or value in a table. Cells may span multiple rows and columns. Table in HTML, the table element. To insert a table in HTML document, table tag is used along with tr tag to insert a new row and td tag to insert data or cell. Example, table, tr, td/td, td/td/tr/table. tr tag stands for table row and will insert a new row in the table. td tag stands for table data and will insert a cell in the row to store the value. This tag is also used to insert a new column in a table. Table caption. Caption and table heading, th element. Caption. It specifies the title of table and shows up at the top of the table. Syntax. Caption, caption of table, /caption. th. It stands for table heading. Table heading can be defined using th element. Normally, you will put your top row as a table heading. Most browsers display table headers in bold text. Attributes of table tag. Border. This attribute places a border around the table and each cell. It takes a number for border width as value. Syntax. Table border is equal to 3, brackets close, /table. Border color. This attribute sets the color of the border. Syntax. Table border color is equal to red in double quotes, /table. BG color. This attribute is used to change the background color of a table. Syntax. Table BG color is equal to lime in double quotes, /table. Background. This attribute will set a picture as the background of a table. Syntax. Table background is equal to compumatrix.jpg in double quotes, /table. Cell spacing. It gives the amount of space between the cells. Syntax. Table cell spacing is equal to 5, /table. Cell padding. It gives the space between the cell border and the content of the cell. Syntax. Table cell padding is equal to 5, /table. Align. This attribute aligns the table left, right, or center. Syntax. Table align is equal to left in double quotes, /table. Height and width. These attributes specify table dimensions as a number or in terms of percentage of available screen area. Syntax. Table width is equal to 400, height is equal to 150, /table. Attributes of td tag. td tag is used to specify the table data. The td tag defines a standard cell in an HTML table. This tag has various attributes to make the value of a cell more presentable and attractive. Align. This attribute is used to set the position of text in a cell. It can have the value left, right, center, or justify. Syntax. td align is equal to center double quotes /td. Width. This attribute is used to specify the width of a cell either in pixels or in percentage value. Syntax. td width is equal to 400 /td. BG color. It is used to change the background color of each cell in a table. Syntax. td BG color is equal to lime in double quotes /td. Background. It is used to apply a picture as a background of each cell in a table. Syntax td background is equal to lotus.jpeg in double quotes /td. A table can be divided into table head, table body, and table foot. The three elements for separating the head, body, and foot of a table are T-head. It is used to create a horizontal header over the complete width of a table. T-body. It is used to create groups of rows in a table body. T-foot. It indicates that a group of rows are the footer rows at the bottom of the table. Col span and row span attribute. Table cells can span or merge across more than one column or row. Use col span attribute if you want to merge two or more columns into a single column. In a similar way, use row span attribute if you want to merge two or more rows. Both the attributes take number as a value for the number of columns and number of rows to be merged. Hyperlinks in HTML. A hyperlink can be any text or image that when you click it, takes you to another page or file either on the website or elsewhere on the internet. A hyperlink can also take you to another part of the same web page. When you move the cursor over a link in a web page, the arrow will turn into a little hand. The HTML tag defines a hyperlink. The most important attribute of the A element is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. Attributes of A tag. href, it stands for Hypertext Reference. It refers to the full web address of the linked resource, which could be a document, multimedia file, or any part of the same document. Target. Target attribute is used with frames and defines where to open the document or URL specified in href attribute. It is now gradually becoming out of use since most of the modern browsers do not support frames. Name. Name attribute of anchor tag is used to define a named anchor. This named anchor is invisible to the reader. Types of hyperlink. There are two types of hyperlink in HTML. These are internal hyperlink and external hyperlink. Internal linking is used to link a part of the same document, and external linking is used to link one document with another document. Internal hyperlinks require an anchor tag with the name attribute. For example, a name is equal to global_warming in double quotes /a. Create an anchor given above at the place in the page where you want to link to. Then create a hyperlink which refers to this anchor with a hash. Example, click here to learn more about a href is equal to #global_warming in double quotes, global warming in capitals /a. Text box control. Text box is a single-line text field that allows the user to input text. Single-line text input controls are created using an input element whose type attribute should have the value text. Button control. There are various ways in HTML to create clickable buttons. You can create clickable buttons using input tag and button tag. In both input tag and button tag, the type attribute is used to set the type of button. That is, input type is equal to button in double quotes or button type is equal to button. The type attribute can take the following values. Submit. This creates a button that automatically submits a form. Reset. This creates a button that automatically resets form controls to their initial values.